I came to Aberystwyth with my family when I was 12 years of age and went to school here, and I've been here ever since.
I'm from Vietnam. In the beginning, I chose Aberystwyth because of my certificate. I want to do law and they have a very strong foundation in law pathway.
Mae'n gi at y ci fi wedi cwrdd yn y brifysgol yma yn yr 1920au ac felly oedd yna rhywbeth eitha arbennig am ddod i Aberystwyth i astudio fy hun a cyfrannu at fywyd y brifysgol fel darlithydd yma.
Nes i dechrau ar diogelwch a porthion draw ar Penglais, a wedyn 11 blwyddyn yn ôl nes i symud draw i fan hyn, a wedyn dechrau yn Ffynomeg.
So I came here to study MBA in Corporate Social Responsibility, and I ended up taking up an internship with the HR department and loved working here.
Wel, ges i geni yn Bangor just to Aberystwyth, so popeth ma da fi.
This is my second time here. When I first came to Aberystwyth, I actually came to live and work and be with my partner, who was a student here at the time. And I stayed in Aber actually because I became a student here, and I was here for 10 years.
You see students day in, day out over the years and reassure them that everything will be all right. And when you see a year or two down the line and these people are still here and still enjoying learning, that makes me proud.
I'm from the big city. So this is my first time trying to study and live in a small town. But when I move here, I work with people here. I have my classmate, my flatmate as well. That's changed me a lot. I even make a lot of best friends here. It means a lot for me.
Bod ni mewn tre fach ar lan y môr sy'n cosmopolitan efo bydolwg rhyngwladol.
Mae fe'n pob amser yn braf yn hyn.
Mae hael mas a di gweld y anifeiliaid yn dechrau joio mynd mas I geir. Hwna bydd fi'n offi.
Having come here in September, October, I think by December I already felt at home, and that's very much to do with the community.
The journey we're on as an institution at the moment is just really exciting. I think there's a real opportunity here at Aber to do things really well and be a really successful institution, which is then true to our strategic mission about changing lives. I like these three foci for us as an institution because they all build on each other. If you think about growing knowledge, that's a core activity that we do through our research, through our teaching, educating, our outreach activity, people growing knowledge and inspiring people. In order to do that, you need to build a community of scholars, a community of learners, a community in which you operate in. And once you've done that, then you can strengthen the region that you're in, where you're based initially, and once you've then got a strong base, you can then have that national and international impact.